All right. Bennydale Farms in Cato. That's me. Let's go for a ride. .450 quad, 1421 Kinsey cart, also new this year. All right. So problem one, 35-foot draper. Like I said, we have no header height. It's the straight line underneath the head on the computer instead of the squiggly. It takes the calibration, but still doesn't want to do what we want it to do. So a banger day yesterday, about what, we didn't even get all the way around. Tracks, we do everything on tracks. The only thing that's not on tracks is the 340 dad plans with. So let's wait for the case guy to come out, see if we can do a software update or something. And then our salesman's bringing the case combine guy right in tow with him, so maybe he can show us what's going on. So all right, stay tuned. So Monroe's here. We're got the computer hooked up. Now we're trying it. I'm not 100% sure what we got going on, but the salesman was here and shit ain't well. So stay tuned. This is fixed. Jim said, hooked his computer up and said somehow it changed the settings in the computer. So we got that fixed. We adjusted this a little bit. Straighten the belt up. Head to the farm. Jim's gonna head to the farm. He's got a brand new feeder house chain in there. We gotta unload for this. Get the drying system ready to go and do some beans. Back here to the farm, doing some mowing. Gotta do some house cleaning here. Generator, dryer 2, dryer 1. Wet bin feeds both. We got a 400 ton on either side. Probably check these over today, grease the fans, check some stuff. Dryer hot, also need to be cleaned out. Couple computers, tester, shit like that. Wheel bearing took a shit, so we need to get parts. Non-greasable too. That's great. Got Jody, my uncle, fixing.
Yep, that's me.
So we're gonna, today's a little bit of fuck around day. Get shit going. Waiting for Preston to get out of work.
So let me ask you, the first day, we're already parental guidance?
Yeah, viewer discretion is advised. So we'll get this going, clean some wet bins out, service the leg, couple belts, ooh, hang on her. Couple belts need to be changed. Header carts together, headed to the field. Him and I had to go up the leg. He went up and then needed more tools. I was gonna bring this with me, but ran out of hands. Back to the field. Carts running. Combine's hammering someplace. Maybe we'll take a ride later. First one going through the new cart. The old one was 1100. We wanted the 13, but they sold it. So we ended up with a 14. Let's see. We made a lot of good changes. We really wanted the new track system, and we really like this new spout. This is how loaded your sieve is. That's your broken grain, the right hand side. The left hand side's rotor loss. That's sieve loss, and it goes all over. You You saw me set it at 1,000. It's at 950. A minute ago it was at 980. A few minutes before that it was at 920. I don't know. I don't understand it all, but I don't think it should be moved. Dog. How you doing? Sleepy boy? Say hi. Alright, Preston had to go see Levi before he goes home. Didn't get a chance to mess with wet bins today, so Jody's going to get the Volvo. We're just going to load 3 trucks in the cart, which probably just 3 trucks and a partial. 27,000 some now. So tomorrow the combine guy's coming. God only knows where to show us the ins and outs of the automation. And while he's doing that, Jody and I can get the wet bins clean, dryers full, and a bean bin ready and start transferring. So we'll have 3 trucks. 3 trucks will fill the little wet bin. Maybe tomorrow we can get moved to Wellers, and there's 82 or 84 acres there. Knock that off. Maybe move to Lysander or maybe someplace close so we can keep going. It's supposed to rain Wednesday. We'll see. Unload. And a minute since I've done this. I think I still got it. Really liking the new cart because it's 10 inches lower, so you can see a little better. I really wish you would consider using auto steer, because then we don't move 6 ways a Sunday. But 66 years old, just, we've done it this way for 40 years, so who is he to change now? I get it. 2, start. Alright, throttle it up. Got this, oh shit. Oh, we got the nifty start button. Throttle it up, and it opens the gate up. This thing. Handy dandy little deal. Tilts the goddamn, and the auger goes in and out. You got a camera right here for the front, for the auger in the back, but the auger one's not working right now. Gotta get that fixed. Got our boy Alan on it, Alan Ames. He's our truck, trailer, equipment, and other things, electrician, mechanic, do it all, fix it all guy. So bear with us here, because first day filming. Still getting used to the GoPro and everything else. Is it gonna get full or what? Yeah, oh, there it is. Alright. Night farming. Making night dust. God, them lights are bright. Alright. Almost done. 1 truck at the farm. Freightliner's loaded. Dylan Hunt, what do you got going on? See, you're famous, Dylan. I just mentioned your name. Loading the Volvo. Quiet. Loading the Volvo. We're almost done here with this odd shaped piece. This is all pattern tile, this field. It's like 11 or 12,000 feet here. Every 40 feet. We'll finish here. Call it night. Leave the machines here. Take the trucks down. Get everything going in the morning. Get the trucks unloaded. And then hopefully by then that combine guy is here and get this thing figured out. And then we can get moved and keep hammering. Alright, well, I guess we're done for the day. That's like what, 50 or 60 acres, maybe, I'm not sure. Yeah, right? I think it's like 60 acres. I don't know if this is gonna be a video or not. I'll have to see how much time's on it. See what Olivia thinks. I don't know. Probably see you in the morning. See ya. Okay, so yesterday was Monday. Today's Tuesday, the 25th. Getting rolling this morning. Waiting on Dad and Dog to show up. Yep, that's his name, Dog. D-O-G. He's our mascot. Dad doesn't go anywhere without him. Come out here and see what Jody's doing. A new barn, a new shop. 80 by 104. 20-foot ceilings. Waiting on trusses. And thought I was gonna have enough content, but Olivia told me that I wasn't even close for a video, so here we are. Yeah, we're gonna give this a go again. Well, yeah, the people that know. And, I'm just gonna leave it at that. We have matching sweatshirts. Alright, shut me off. Okay. Checking wet bins. Probably can't see it. Put some shit in the bottom. Other than that, we should be able to just open up the bottom, run it, call it good. Oh my god. Oh, shut this. Safety is no accident. Oh, okay. All right. Like I said, we'll open up the bottom, run it out, we'll bang on that one. Back up to our dump pit, 13-inch, or 13, yeah, I think it's 13. Goes up to the green leg dumps into both of them. 100 ton will fill the dryers. We'll go to the 400 and then we'll bring it up. Okay, Dad's changing the oil in the generator. We're gonna shut the dryers off. Wet bin's clean. This wet bin's clean. We're dumping our first load. We had to scrape the shit out of the bottom. Some in the hot. So this is our dump pit, but normally we strip the gate, but being the first one, we want to make sure everything works. So yeah, got our 30,000 gallon propane tank full. Hopefully that gets us through harvest. It should. I hand shelled some corn Saturday night, 22.9. So, you know, probably 24 and a half. But Volvo's running. 3 trucks will fit in that little bin. I got the bean bin top opened up. We just gotta spray the floor, shut the door. Dad's changing the oil in the generator, like I said. Get this going. The generator runs both our dryers. We don't have power enough to run both. We ran the one on we can run one on a generator, or no, we can run one on power, not 2. We got that. Gotta do some house cleaning here today. Getting this set up. Soybeans, let's take a sample. We'll sample this truck, see what it is. Should be like, maybe 12 and a half, which we'll dump them right in the bin at that. So, during the fall, Dad runs the combine, Preston runs the grain cart, and Jody and I drive truck. I run the, well, not me, but I spend a lot of time with the dryers. Jody checks them and stuff, but throughout the day, they're my headache. Some guys use, you know, weigh it, dump it in thing. We spent the money. This is a lot quicker for us. Who wants me? Olivia, did it work? Yeah, I think so. I haven't looked at it yet. What do we got? 11.5. I'm happy with that. Good test weight. Happy with that. Oh, they've been running. Like I said, we did like I think Dad said it was 70 acres yesterday, so I was off some. They averaged like 60 or 62 bushel over the whole thing, so can't really be upset with that. But. All right, trucks are dumped. Little wet bin's full. Preston's out of work. Jody's a man.
We're about ready to die.
Yeah, we're about ready to go in the ditch. We're headed out back.
Trying to talk some sense into Ron and RJ to just move right here to Colorado.
Yeah, I don't care. Nobody knows where we went next.
When's the light sander?
I don't know. When did we do Weller?
We did Weller after light sander. We had to tile it.
I don't know. What? No, it's not where we went. We do everything in order. Nobody.
We don't have to do everything in order.
Yeah,
Do you think farms don't do everything in order?
Yeah,
Not every farm does.
You should have seen us move the
We
doors.
went to light sander because it was gonna rain.
No.
He's coming. Look out.
It's a good thing. So listen, we moved them doors that I showed you, and it's a good thing I didn't film it because somebody would have left our channel. It wouldn't have been good. Yeah, well, Dad and I got right into it.
Nobody's on our channel right now.
Well, there's 4 people. They're all family. There you go. So, like I said, Preston's unloading into there. We brought one truck up. I tested these. We took a sample out of the combine. They're 14.2. They're a touch wet. So we'll put them. The little wet bin's full, so we'll put them in the big wet bin, and we'll be able to transfer the ones out of the little bin right into the bin, and then when I start transferring out of that big bin, I'll just put some heat on them and put them in the bin. Put some air on them and call it good. So. All right, Jody and I are going up to where we started. Dad's got to go to the meeting. I'm gonna run the combine. I'm probably gonna leave the GoPro in the truck so he doesn't get all wigged out, because that's just how he is. Because it's been, I don't think I ran the 8240, so it's been a minute. Did I? When?
Corn.
Alright, well, I ran in corn. It's been a minute since I've run one in soybeans, so I hopped in, did some, and then that guy showed up with the store manager. He hopped in, he made a couple changes, showed me the ins and out of the computer with the full automation. We made some passes, we made some really good changes. It's actually really neat. If you've never had it, Dad would even highly recommend it. So Dad came, he hopped in, the guy showed him everything, they made more changes, and thing's just an animal. I wish we would have done it when they first come out. So all the issues we were having, it was on automation, and we didn't know, so it's our own fault. No, if you have a Case flagship combine without the automation, you're gonna trade, get the automation. Dad would even tell you. I don't know what Deere has or New Holland. I'm sure New Holland has. I think so. Andy, the Grumpy Farmer on YouTube, he's our cousin. He's got New Holland. I think he's got some of the. I'd have to ask him. I don't know what Deere's got or whoever else, but no, it's real nice. It makes changes as we go across the field. Makes a bunch of the sieves, the fan, the rotor. So when you go downhill, it speeds the fan up. When you're going uphill, it slows the fan down. When you turn on headlands, it changes it. There's a really lot of good things it does. Heads on, cart, combine. Guess we're gonna roll out. I can get out of here. Oh, there we go. All right. Normally the head goes in front of the combine, but we got Jody, so Jody will go ahead and I'll follow the combine. Loading. All right, well, 2 fields done on the Weller farm. We're half done. Shutting it down. He needs fuel. The beans are starting to get tough. It's not supposed to start raining until like, I don't know what time. Well, my phone says 3, but who knows. This is half a load. Tarp will dump in the morning. Dad and dog are gonna ride with me down to the farm. And then I'll take him to get his truck. So we'll see you in the morning. I'm gonna call this a video. I'm gonna make the executive decision. So I'm gonna call this a video, and we'll see you in the morning. See ya.